Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I'm going to show you how to enable microphone on the WhatsApp app and iPhone. So first, what you want to do is open up WhatsApp, and here there's an option to record your voice on the right side besides the camera icon. Just click on that, and if this message pops up, to record the voice message, WhatsApp needs to access your iPhone's microphone. So to fix that, you just need to go to settings. Once you're here, just scroll down till you see the WhatsApp options right here. And once you're there, just click on it. And there's an option to switch on the microphone. So just click on that. And when you go back to WhatsApp, it should work now. So wait. Now, let's try it. As you can see, you need to hold to record. There is a send. When I click on it, the prompt doesn't pop up. And that's it, guys. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below, subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.